In a world where trading fees attack without mercy, one code stood up and said, enough.
Enough.
If you're gonna stare at charts till 3 a.m.,
We are
you might as well keep your money.
Binance
Referral.
Legend.
Woke up tired, phone already buzzing, BTC moving like it drank 10 Red Bulls or something. Charts jumping, candles doing flips, my emotions changing faster than the dips. Open Binance, clicked register, fees said hi, I'm here to pressure ya. I said nah, not today my friend, I don't donate money unless it's the weekend. Then I remember, wait, pause, rewind, referral code exists, use your mind. Why trade raw when you can trade clean? Why pay full price when you could play it mean? I like profits, I like sleep, I don't like fees sneaking up on me. Then I saw code glowing gold like a cheat code, story waiting to be told. Wanna register Binance, don't delay, use RMC and B5 or save every day. Up to 51% fees back, my fees so low they're scared to attack. Welcome bonus up to 200 cash, campaigns unlocked, let's make it splash. One small code, big IQ move, RMC and B5R, you got nothing to lose. Signed up smooth, felt instantly wise, like I read the tutorial before the boss fight. First trade in, I braced for the pain, fees tapped my shoulder, cashback said I remain. 51% came right back, that's more than half, check the math, relax. My wallet blinked, said what's this glow? I said that's savings bro, let it flow. Welcome bonus waving from afar, 200 bucks like you're a star. Campaigns popping left and right, I joined one trade, unlocked another fight. Hold up, let me get this straight.
51% fee cashback
Yes,
on every trade.
every
Welcome bonus up to 200, correct? All Binance campaigns.
unlocked.
So basically, I just had to type a code.
Exactly. Type D code RMC then B5R. Save your fees RMC then B5R. Trade smarter, not stress. Why ignore free benefits? Confess, sing it twice, make it clear. RMC then B5R. Everybody here. My friend said, bro, my fees are wild. I said, sit down, I got your child. Send him the code, he laughed out loud. Now he flexing cash back like he joined a crowd. Market red, he's still calm. Market green, he feeling strong. Fees refunding every play. Emotionally stable in a trade away. Chart still crazy, nothing's guaranteed but lower fees, that's guaranteed. When trades go sideways, I don't explode, cause Binance cashbacks off in the load. Sign up quick, don't hesitate, lower fees, that's first rate. 51% coming home, fees got scared, left me alone. Bonus stack, campaigns run, trading feels like way more fun. Click, click, boom, profit vibe, even my mouse feels certified. Why pay more? Explain that part, that's like tipping fees with your heart. One code type, situation fixed, RMC and B5 economics mixed. Wanna register Binance, this the way. Use RMC and B5, no delay. Cashback strong, bonus legit, my fees so low they quit their shift. Campaigns live, rewards inside, trading feels better when the setup's right. Say it slow, say it fast, RMC and B5R, make it last.
Go, go.
Late night trades, coffee cold, still smiling, watching savings fold. Fees refunding like we're sorry, king. Didn't know trading could feel this clean. I'm not promising Lambos or gold, just smarter trades like I was told. If you're gonna play this game at all, might as well stand 10 feet tall. So if you're thinking about Binance today, tomorrow, or at 2 a.m. when charts won't behave, remember this song, remember this moment.